Malungkot na balita ang nadagdagan ang
Isa
bilang
kada
ng mga
tatlong
pamilyang Pilipino
household
na
ang
nakaranas po ng
nakakaranas ng
pagkagutom noong
sa bawat
Setyembre
limang Pilipino
2021.
sa pagkain.
Nakakabudlay dito sa nga. Nga kami na lang permit. Nay! 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 Nay!
Ari ka nagali na?
Nay, may pagkaon pa to Nay. Nagutom na gid kuya.
O pasensya, hagit kami na. Wala na kita sang bugas. Yung baligya na gani namo ng ibang pangagamit para lang makabakal ka sa atong kanon.
Ari na ko.
O, hala na si tatay mo. Mangkotabi kung may dala sa tang pagkao.
Tay, may dala ka nga pagkaon. Nagutom na kuya.
Pasensya gid na. Kung may kwarta ang tani kita makabakal ka sa atong kalanon. Pero mabudlay gid ang kabuhi.
Gusto ko nga pang isang kanon. Isang kamay lang, Nay. Tay.
Hindi ka magdulaan sa pagkao na. Tingao naman yung maghimakas. Hindi kita mapapwede sa paglayan.
Unak, isa mabudlay pangitaan to sang paagi. Di ka magkabalaka. Di kita pagbabayaan sang Diyos.
Filipinos face poverty due to a combination of economic, social, and historical challenges that limits the opportunities for many families. One major factor is the lack of stable and well-paying jobs, especially in rural areas, where agriculture dominates but often yields low income and is highly vulnerable to climate change and natural disasters.
Wealth distribution in the country is also highly unequal, with a small percentage of populations controlling much of the resources, while millions struggle to meet basic needs. Education plays a critical role, yet many children cannot afford to stay in school, leaving them with unlimited skills for better paying jobs later in life.
Social safety nets such as cash transfer and healthcare program exist but often fail to reach vulnerable groups, making families fall into deeper poverty when faced with illness, disaster, and economic shock. Historical legacy and inequality coupled with governance issues slow down progress in addressing poverty.
Gender and social norms restrict women and marginalized communities from fully participating in the economy, further limiting household income. Altogether, poverty in the Philippines is not just about lack of money. It reflects systematic barriers, unequal opportunities, and vulnerability to crises that require inclusive growth, stronger education systems, and fairer resource distribution to overcome.
Poverty in the Philippines can reduce by creating more decent jobs, improving access to quality education and healthcare, and ensuring strong social protection programs. With inclusive growth, good governance, and empowerment of communities, Filipinos can break the cycle of poverty and build a more equitable future.
Buhay na ba'y sadyang ganyan? Ang hirap ay di natin maiwasan. Kalungkutan ay lagi na lang. Kasiyahan ay minsan lang makamit.